talk to most manufacturing companies, especially the ones that have been successful and have been around for 30 years, some of them 40 years. It's incredible how long some of these companies have been in business and how successful they've been over the past. Yet, over the last 10 years, they just seem to be hitting a wall, and they don't know what it is. And so when you look at them and ask them, well, how were you doing this in the past? What was it that worked in the past? You know, and typically they'll say, you know, word of mouth advertising. You know, we've never really had to go out and search for a customer. You know, they've always found us. Okay, you know, if they did engage in any sort of paid activities, whether it's marketing or anything like that, it's really the very traditional, you know, trade shows, you know, the typical things that a manufacturing company would do. And the other answer that you get is that, well, you know, we can't really advertise because nobody really gets what it is that we do. You know, you can't make an advertisement for what we do. And I know this because I've spoken to a number of presidents of manufacturing companies, and they've always felt that, you know, nobody knows how to do what we do, so how can they communicate that for us? So the point I'm trying to make is that, you know, you really have to sit down, think about what it is that you do. Nobody knows your business better than you do, and figure out how you're going to go out and get the message across using the latest tools and the things that are available. You know, people talk about things like social media and all that, and most people start shaking their heads as soon as you say that, because quite honestly, you know, it's never been used in manufacturing the way it's being used in other parts of the market and the commercial world out there. So when companies start understanding the power and the influence of social media, and they start recognizing how it works and how it can be adapted to work for them, you know, they're often surprised and blown away at the kind of results that they get.